Are you tired of using the same type of wallet? Not anymore. The coolest wallet in the world coming up right now. Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today I have got the coolest wallet on the planet. This is from Pitaka. It's called the MagWallet UE. They do several wallets. This is the UE edition. I'll show you that right there. You can see it on the bottom there. So this is the UE. Now, before I go any further, I will leave a link in the description below, which will give you an exclusive 10% off your order total. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you get 10% off whatever your order total is. So if you order £1,000 worth of products from Pitaka, you get £100 off, or $100 off, or €100 off, whatever. So definitely use that link down below, guys. I also have a competition or a giveaway that Pitaka is doing. I will tell you about that at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen my review of this slim case for the iPhone X, I will leave a link at the end of this video for that as well. And this is a magnetic wireless car charger from Pitaka, which works fantastic with their own cases. Now let's talk about the wallet. Now this is $89 US, which equates to around £60 sterling or around 70 euros. As I said, use the link down below. Now, what's special about this wallet? Okay, it's made of carbon fiber with the core of each individual section being made of aramid. What's aramid? Everyone's heard of carbon fiber. Aramid is a material that's used in space shuttles, rockets, F1 cars, Kevlar bulletproof vests, things like that. So it's a very high premium quality material. Now this actual case for $89, let me separate it all out, okay? Then I'll talk about each section individually. Okay. Now for $89, look, I got these three parts which come as the wallet in a very nice box, which I can't find at the moment, but I have been using this wallet for some time now, so I can give you a real good feedback. This actual wallet has a lifetime warranty with it, so it's definitely worth buying, especially if you're sick of the old style wallets that I showed you in the intro to this video. Now let's start off with each individual section. So this section here is the degaussing module. It's a complete modular system, this wallet. That's what's unique about it. Now, what does degaussing mean? Some people still have bank cards or cards which have got magnetic strips on them. Most are now chip and pin type cards, but if you have got magnetic cards, because this has got magnets in it, people are worried, well, it's going to wipe the magnetic strip. Pitaka have thought about that. And this particular module here is for, you can fit two cards in here that have got magnetic strips, and this will keep them shielded from the magnets in this particular wallet. Also from things like the car charger or anything else that's magnetic. So you can hold two magnetic strip cards in there and one here chip and pin type card. So if I take this out, I'll show you how it works. Let me just bring in these two as an example. So say this is the magnetic strip on this card. You want it so it's facing inwards, okay? In this section here, say that's the magnetic strip. You want that facing the magnetic strip of this card. So you put them together like that, and they're in nicely. What I like about this is if you want to use that card in a credit card machine, just slide this section out, slide your card out, put it in the machine, put your PIN number in, and you're done. Push it back in, close it, done. Then say you've got a chip and pin type card, you can store that at the front of this, and that's not going anywhere. That's in there nice and secure, okay? Now say you got more cards, which everyone tends to. The standard wallet that I bought holds 6 cards in total. So this is the next module here. So in this one, I can fit another 2 chip and pin type cards. So let's just put one in here for the time being. Again, held in nice and secure. You can put another one in the back. So that's now done. And then that's the front cover, which goes on like that. It only goes in a certain direction. And in this front cover, you can put in another card in here. What's unique about this wallet is they will personalize it for you. So here's my channel logo. They engraved into this metal part with the channel name. So you can have anything you want engraved in there within reason. So real nice touch, personalized touch. Now look how thin this wallet is. This will hold 6 cards, and that's rock hard, lifetime warranty, beautiful. If you want to access any section, you just open it like that. You just open up a certain section. If I want to do that, slide that card from here, close it, done. Now you're going to say, well, what if I've got notes that I want to carry? What if I've got a house key, some change I want to carry? Well, I bought these separate, these individual modules just for that. So like, for example, this one, let's just say I've got a bit of change, put some change in there, put my house key in there. So that's nice and secure. So if I open this up now, sort of semi-dismantle it, put it on the right way, there we go. Now it's got a little bit thicker, but I have got my house key, I have got some change with me in this wallet. And again, that's very simple to get hold of. Do that, slide down, pull out your key, pull out your change, whatever you want. Okay, nice and secure, they're not going anywhere. Now say I've got some notes I want to put in here as well. So let me take this apart. Now this will hold around 4 or 5 notes, depending on what currency they are, how you fold them, etc. Now I've got a couple of euro notes here, folded up, and on the back there's a little slot there, so you can get to the back note easily. So if I put this in here, put this all together. Sorry guys, there's very strong magnets in this. So if I want to get to the notes, just open that up like that. I can get to the back note because of that slot here, or I can just pull out the front note, whatever I want. Look how thick that is now. That's thinner than a box of cigarettes. In fact, let me bring in one of those traditional fat wallets. I mean, look at that. That's what most guys carry. Look at the difference. And this hasn't even, this has just got a bit of change in it here. I don't have any cards or notes in here. Look at that, how, just with some coins, how fat that is. Look at the difference in size. Look at that. Massive difference. Now, how cool is this? Just how cool is that? Now, this is also magnetic. This itself isn't magnetic, but it will stick to magnetic stand. So this wireless charger here, it's not designed to stick to that, but it can do. Pull that off. You see how strong the magnet is? Move this out of the way. They do what's called a mag bar as well, which you hang on your wall or put it wherever, and it will allow you to stick your wallet to it, stick your phone to it as well if you've got a Pitaka case on that phone. So very worthwhile looking at that as well, guys. But this wallet, it is a definite, I love this case. This wallet, sorry guys, I keep saying case. Say I'm going out to club and I don't need to take all these other modules. Say I just want to take 4 cards with me. Look how thin that is now. You can put that in the top pocket of your shirt. Beautiful. In this, I've got 4 cards. So do I recommend it? 100% I recommend this wallet. I love this wallet. This is the only wallet I use. As I said, use the link down below in the description. You'll get 10% off the purchase of it. Yes, it's not cheap, but greatness doesn't come cheaply. Now, let me tell you about the competition or giveaway. What I will do is, in order to enter it, I will leave links to my Instagram in the description below. I'll also leave a link to my Twitter. What I need you guys to do is go click on my Instagram link, click on my Twitter link, follow me on there. I want you to share this video. Let me know in the comments down below when you've done that. Share it. When you follow me on Twitter, just send me a PM, a direct message, letting me know you've done that, and you follow me on Instagram, because I want to help as many people as possible. I will then message you back on Twitter with a link, and it's only around, I think there's 5 days left for this competition, so get in quick. There's only been 2 entries so far. That's how quick this is going to be. There's 30 giveaways. I think the first 10, they get an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 7 Plus case for free. The 20 runners up, you get a case free as long as you pay for the postage, which is fair enough because these are not cheap cases. They're around 30 to 40 pounds, these cases. Very high quality Aramid cases, guys. Trust me, you want to be in this competition. So subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, say done in the bottom of this. Send me a DM or a PM on Twitter letting me know you've done those. I will message you back with a link to the competition. But hurry, there's only a few days left. Thank you. If you like this video, share it on all your social media. Share this, definitely helps with the competition, helps me, helps the channel grow. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. And hit that subscribe button, guys. And the bell notification icon. I've also got a case from Pitaka on my iPhone 10, which is my ultimate case. If you haven't, I'm going to be reviewing that later on, but that is my most favorite case on the iPhone 10, period. It's made of Aramid. It's very, very protective. It will take a smash to the ground. It can get thrown down concrete steps. The phone is fine, the case is fine. Very, very rugged, not too thick, shock proof. Absolutely my 100% favorite case. It's the Magcase Pro for the iPhone 10. As I said, you can, if you don't want to wait for that video, use the link below, get yourself 10% off, but it is the ultimate case. It's also got little airbags in each corner. Love that case. Anyway, I've been gas bagging too long. This is Zilla saying take care. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.